So you've removed your vinyl or PPF from your Cybertruck and you've been left with a mess like this. So this is the adhesive underneath the PPF. In our case it was a coloured PPF that we removed. If you have vinyl then it should be a little bit easier, but this stuff is, I mean, first of all removing it is an absolute workout, but then you're left with this kind of mess. So tried a bunch of things, none of them are easy, but this is probably the best option. So to get started, you're going to need a tin of this. I'll link it to just Amazon. You'll need some non-scratch Scotch-Brite. And then if you want to kind of protect your skin a little bit, some latex gloves. And then just a whole bunch of elbow grease. It takes a long, long time. You can see on the front or the hood, it's half done, half not. The half that's done took me about 30 minutes. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. And then I wish you the best of luck because it's a huge, huge, huge pain in the ass. All right, let's go. Okay, the other thing you'll need is a bunch of rags as well. So you can see this side has been done. I mentioned this took me about half an hour to do. This side's still a mess. So what we're going to do is grab the general purpose adhesive remover, slosh it on, and then kind of just wipe it in with the rags. And we're going to do this a few times because this takes a minute and it does need to soak in. The coloured PPF that was on here had been on here for almost a year, I guess. So you do need to let this sort of saturate the adhesive. And then I'm going to grab one of these and just kind of, what we're going to do is kind of abrase it with the Scotch-Brite and then go over it with the now saturated rag. And you can see that slowly but surely it starts to break it down. Let's get some more. So this is the only way I've been able to find that does it safely. No blades or anything, but it is very, very slow. So time now is 6 p.m. I'm going to fast forward now and we'll see how long this other half takes me. Okay, and there you go. So that took a little over 15 minutes to do half of the frunk. So for the whole truck, at least today. Just, you know, constantly rotate your rags. Obviously, as soon as they get contaminated, take them off. Gloves don't last long. But that's it. It's just elbow grease. And then if you're done with this, I would use some Barkeeper's Friend just to kind of finish it up and kind of get that final layer of crud off. So this is what we normally use, liquid Barkeeper's Friend. Just spray this on, this will get rid of any other contamination on the surface. And then you're just going to need a wet cloth just to tidy that up. And there you go. So this is the stuff. I've probably used about that much just doing the front. So get a couple of these at least for a whole truck. Use it liberally. Get plenty of rags. And I wish you good luck. Thanks for watching.